Thank you to Native for sponsoring. More on them later. In today's 3 Connoisseur Secrets, we are exploring self-care through nature therapy, manicures, and tea. By the sun and by the moon, she rides the wind and finds her tune. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I'm feeling burnt out. Are you feeling it too? We need to pause and take care of ourselves. Let's explore that together today. Pause. That's the word I'm looking for. If I don't press pause, the movie will keep playing. It won't stop. Shakespeare wrote in As You Like It, "All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts." I don't know about you, but I've often wanted to exit stage left, take off my costume, and go sit on the chaise in the dressing room and just eat chocolate truffles and read a guilty pleasure novel. I'm taking this theater analogy far. I was a theater major in college, that's why. No, but seriously, having been a theater actress, I know the magic of backstage, of the dressing room. When you are on stage, there's no going off. You must play your part. This is life. But you can't have a play without the scene ending, without going into the wings and taking a break until your character comes back out again. Gaston Leroux in Phantom of the Opera said, "Our lives are one masked ball." I find this to be true too. What mask we put on depends on the nature of the ball. The ball is life. It can be exciting, romantic, exhilarating. It can also be exhausting. Our masks conceal things about us. So today we will press pause. We will exit stage left. We will remove the mask, and we will take care of ourselves. My favorite way to exit stage left, if you couldn't already tell, is to go outside. Friend, if you are overwhelmed, just go outside. Leave your phone in the house. Step outside into the elements. Take deep breaths. Allow the sun to fall on your face, or allow the moonlight to bathe you. Notice the little things about nature, the eccentricities of the flowers, the little insects in their glorious realm. Allow the wind to move you and carry you a bit. Feed the birds. Smell the flowers. Allow this. Whenever I feed the birds, I like to ring the wind chime to let them know dinner is ready. They make a terrible mess with the birdseed, so I do need to sweep it up. I find occupying myself with these quotidian garden matters strangely relaxing. Before we move to the next secret, I want to share Native with you, our sponsor. I love their deodorants and I have been using them for years. Not only do I love the scents and how well the deodorants perform, but Native are also very conscious about the environment and they have a new look for their plastic-free packaging. The old plastic-free was tube-shaped and the new one is even better. It provides more coverage just like the regular packaging. This time I chose coconut and vanilla, unscented, and cotton and lily. This is from their sensitive range and doesn't have baking soda. They also have a naughty and nice collection with seasonal holiday scents like spiked eggnog and candy cane. Did you know that Native also have toothpaste? This is their wild mint and peppermint oil with fluoride. I love their toothpaste. 3 plastic-free deodorants would be $39, but if you use my link and code DAILYC9, you'll get them for $26. That's over 33% off. With my code, you can also get 20% off any body wash or toothpaste. Thank you, Native, for bringing us this video. And now I want to show you a detailed look at my weekly manicure routine. I do my nails at home instead of going to the salon. I find that after years of practice, I can get my nails looking just as good as if they were professionally done, and they last at least a week to 10 days. I've gotten into the routine of doing my nails on Wednesdays. If I have a dark color on my nails, I'll take it off the night before. Then, when I have some time, I sit down to give myself a proper manicure, usually listening to music or an audiobook at the same time. I start by removing any excess color. Then I trim my nails and clip away any hangnails. I file my nails in one direction and then buff the top with a nail buffer. Then I soak my hands in warm water with a little fragrant oil in it. This time I drop some cuticle oil in. After that, I dry my hands and put more cuticle oil on, rubbing it into the cuticle beds. I rinse them one more time and then apply lotion and give myself a little massage, focusing on the pressure point between my thumb and index fingers. All the products I'm using, by the way, are from London Town, and I'll leave them linked down below. Now I use nail polish remover one last time to get all oils and lotions off my nails. That point is key. And then it's time to paint. I place a base coat first, then 2 layers of color. This is Elderberry by London Town. Really, the key is not getting any polish on your cuticles. That's what helps your manicure last and look more professional. So I do my best with that. And finally, a top coat. As the last step, I drop this accelerating drying oil on top. Then, I do nothing for 10 minutes. Usually I'll lay down and continue listening to the audiobook. Don't skip this step. If you try to do anything, you'll smudge your nails and be disappointed. Ah, they look so pretty. And finally, another self-care ritual I try to take every day is that of afternoon tea. Today I'm having some Peak ginger green tea as I have a special autumn dessert, a leftover slice of pumpkin pie. I normally like homemade whipped cream with pie, but I found this oat milk whipped topping at the store and I was curious to try it. It was delicious. It had that creamy, thick oat milk flavor that I enjoy. I like to read a book during tea time, and since I filmed this right before Halloween, I was enjoying more short stories from Henry James' Ghost Stories. I know that life can be stressful. Ladies, you do so much. It's important for you to take time for yourself. I wanted to give you 3 examples here of how you could do so by not even leaving your home. I hope this video leaves you feeling refreshed and committed to taking care of yourself too. Thank you to Native for sponsoring this video. Use my link and code DAILYC9 to get 3 plastic-free deodorants for $26. That's over 33% off. And with my code, you can also get 20% off any body wash or toothpaste. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.